Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you button crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Today we are looking at beautiful button crafts ideas. Buttons are small but they can create amazing decoration. Many people have wall buttons at home that are not used anymore. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into creative crafts. Colorful buttons can be used to make wall art, greeting card, and home decoration. You can arrange buttons in different shapes like flower, heart, or star. This craft is easy, fun, and perfect for beginners. Button flower crafts. Button flowers are simple and beautiful. You can use different size and color of button to create flower shapes. And just glue the buttons together in the center and add paper or felt pastel around them. And this flower can be used to decorate card, frame, and gifts box. Button flowers are perfect for spring decoration and handmade gifts. And weavers. Button tree wall art. One of the most popular button craft is the button tree. To make this craft, draw a simple tree on paper or canvas. Then glue many colorful buttons as the leaves of the tree. You can use green pattern for a natural look or many bright color for a creative design. This craft look beautiful as wall art in your home. And friends, button heart decoration. Button heart are a very sweet and simple craft idea. You only need a heart shape draw on cardboard or paper, then glue button inside the heart shape unit. It is full. You can use red, pink, white button for a romantic look. This craft is perfect for gifts, home decoration, or special celebration. So friends, I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.